Why we created the BT Display Battery Series. Power supply for homes, RVs, and outdoor camping. Safer and smarter. Safety first. Made with high-quality raw materials, the ABS+PC shell can withstand certain external impacts. All batteries use grade A cells with up to 15,000 charge cycles. Metal fixtures secure the cells, while the smart BMS provides comprehensive protection. Overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, and low-temperature safeguards. Equipped with a buzzer alarm, the battery provides instant alerts when protection is triggered, ensuring safe operation. Precision manufacturing with rigorous quality control. Every production step is carefully overseen by dedicated personnel. Each battery undergoes 20-plus rigorous tests and multiple global certifications before leaving the factory, ensuring top-notch quality. Innovation-driven, beyond safety, innovation makes our batteries more competitive. The newly designed LED panel displays battery status at a glance with a simple switch press. Paired with the buzzer alarm, it enables quicker troubleshooting. With Bluetooth connectivity, users can monitor the battery in real time, anytime, anywhere through a smartphone. Lightweight, standard size designed for easy replacement and installation. Whether you're in an RV, an off-grid home, or camping outdoors, the eco-worthy BT Display Battery Series puts safety and intelligence in your hands, meeting your needs for visualization, control, and smart management. Eco-worthy BT Display Battery Series, the perfect fusion of safety, innovation, and intelligence.